It's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Chevrolet MyLink voice activation, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated split bench seats, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and power heated mirrors. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.